Well, I think it's important, even though companies like FXStreet offer a great service in providing lots of analytical opinions, lots of educational advice, lots of different pieces of information out there, and this is across the internet. I think it's important that everybody really is their own best analyst, and no matter how junior you are, no matter how senior you are, doing your own analysis, drawing your own opinions, gleaning from others is important, but ultimately you're the only one responsible for your trade, so your own analysis is by far the best. I think it is to a certain extent. Trading somebody else's strategy is certainly doable, but in the long run I think it's better that you take a little bit of that and make it into your own strategy. Just like a golf swing, many people might try to copy Tiger Woods, but ultimately it's going to be their golf swing. There might be successful golfers, but it's going to be their golf swing, and it's the same with Forex, it's the same with any trading. Yes, take bits and pieces of it, but what appeals to you, that you need to internalize and make into your own trading strategy. Well, to be honest, my experience with elections is that they're a big fat non-event, to be honest with you. So I think it'll be trading. I wish I could say something provocative, but I think it'll be trading as usual. My sort of short-term prediction, this is June of 2012, my short-term prediction is that we'll probably trade down to around 119, and then we'll actually head up towards 130 again before figuring out what we want to do after that, and that should encompass around the election period. So I think we'll actually see a little bit of dollar weakness. Whether that's attributed to the elections or not, I think remains to be seen. I don't think it'll fall. I don't think the euro will fall to parity. I think that we'll probably try and jog to the downside and go to about 119, maybe between 122 and 119, and then I think it's going to surprise some people on the upside up to about 133. But we'll have to wait and see. But yes, I'm actually expecting a fairly decent long side trade. And I think the best way to play that may not be relative to the dollar, it actually may be relative to the yen. So I think the euro-yen might be a better trade than the euro-dollar specifically.
So your expectation for the euro-yen?
I think we probably will head down about 200-300 pips and then maybe rise up to about 112 to 113 over the next 6 months.